Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Nubia RedMagic 11R, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option About Phone. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and as you can see it is right here. So all you have to do now is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, simply enter to confirm the whole step. That's normal, no worries. And now we've got the information that we are a developer. So we can go back to the general list of the settings and go to the system, which is right above the About Phone. So here we've got the developer options, not this one, developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So as you can see, this list is really long, and basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you've got the option with the switcher, simply tap on the switcher to apply it immediately, and tap on it again to turn it off. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, simply tap on the switcher at the very top of the screen. It is pinned there. Tap on it, and you need to restart the device to actually turn off the developer options. So just tap on restart and your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. I don't want to do it. However, after restarting your device, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. And of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.